Hey, what's up guys? It's Bernard with Eco Air. We are just at a house in New Orleans. We're in the Lakeview area. We're gonna be replacing two systems for these guys, upstairs and downstairs. Of course, we'll take you guys along for the ride, show you the before and afters. We just got done installing these two Rude heat pump systems. Not only do they look good, but they're going to work really well too. If you're interested in having something like this installed at your house, you know who to call. Eco Air. You can reach us at 985-222-2990. See you later.